Okay, well that's a little hilarious. When you actually remove this one here, you can actually remove this whole hard drive instead, and that'll expose that stupid thing. I was trying to figure out how to dismantle this whole DVD writer, and now I don't have to. Okay, there we go. Second one of these coming out. Ugh. Talk about fun. See? Now, it should come lift right off. Almost, right? Like, I don't want you to go. So obviously you've got to make sure you're going in there with a plastic device. And the guitar pick is pretty nice. And I am grounded, which is nice too, to know that I'm probably much less likely to use my natural electricity to bust open this last piece of, come on, you're right there, I can see ya. Just let it go, let it go. There we go. Okay, that was nice. Ta-da! Okay, so I've already looked through the user manual to find out where we're putting everything. And now we got all the fun stuff. Right? Who's ready for some fun? So, very nice. We got a SODEM 8 gig piece here. Let's look at our installation guide because we're bound to screw it up. Real quickly, we've got the English version. English, lifetime warranty is limited. Obviously, you have the thing unplugged. There is a bit of an advantage. If I would really decrease my risk, is unplugging it right there. But I'm unpowered anyway, so hopefully I'm not going to blow anything up. See, this is where my SSD is available, so if I were to flip this for my own benefit and yours, but really for my benefit. Again, I'm on my grounded mat here, and I've got my SODEM here. So, key, don't use my electric finger. Put it in easily, 30 degrees entry, and then press it down with 2 fingers. Good? Sounds good. So let's not use my electric fingers. I'm going to orient this. Obviously you can see there's not really much choice about that. You got to have it this way because that's the way it'll go. That's 30 degrees. We snug her right up. We take our 2 non-electric fingers, place it in there, and you see it just clicks right in there. Clicked. Beautiful. That's another 8 gigs, baby. Okay, and guess what else we got? Some more fun. Ta-da! NVMe. What do we got? We got a NVMe M2 solid state drive, 500 gigs. Hello, how awesome is that? The price of these things are coming way down, so just keep your eyes open and you're going to be able to get a sweet, sweet deal on lots and lots of memory. If you're into talking about how times have changed, it used to be, so this is an old story, I'll share it with you anyway. Back in the 80s, mid 80s, we had an Apple computer and we got this 40, that's 40 megabyte, I'm saying megabyte, hard drive. Isn't that crazy? And Dad said, look at that. That's the only hard drive we're ever going to need. That's like 3 pictures now, right? Okay, so here we go. It's going into the SSD slot right there, which was circled in red on your manual, which you can't really find the manual to. You just have to believe it. So again, we're going in about 30 degrees or until it will go in fairly easily. Bring her down here. Oh, we'll do that. I just got to remove this fine little screw. It is our factory supplied housing screw, because we're going in there again. Cow. I mean, they all fit together very nicely, so it's not going to be that much trouble, but you don't want to be throwing metal pieces all over the place either. Oh ho ho ho, 500 gigs, baby, right there. Okay, that's it. We got our new Kingston, doesn't matter who you get, but obviously Kingston SODIMM, something you know pretty, a good company you know pretty well. And now we can put everything back on. Here she comes. So this ought to be, we ought to really want to go back together, right? So we're just kind of joining everything up again. Basically doing the reverse of what we did to get, oh, but in this case, you'll see we have those little things all over the place to help it come back together. It definitely goes back together slightly quicker and easier than it did coming apart. But let's just take her over, flip her open. Again, computer, don't start up on me just because I opened the door. Let's click everything in. Lovely. Right? Looks like I'm in. Remember this part. Nice and easy. Oh, we're gonna, of course, better put these on first. All right, you with me here? Okay. So there we go. That was, shall we say, super easy. Of course, you could have got the wrong SSD pretty easily, because if you didn't read the manual about a billion times, you might think there might be a, if that holds in with this. That hard drive is, like I said, you saw me pull that out before. But now I'm going to lock that hard drive back in, just like that. Kind of fun to know that. Yeah. Ooh, oh no, my hard drive won't come out. Okay, so there we go. We're just going to screw it all back together, and you'll see in a second that it fit together nicely. So it doesn't take that long once you know what you're doing. And I'm going to be doing this on a second laptop in a few weeks because I've got the exact same laptop for my wife. So here we are. It's all going together. So what I would recommend is these. Obviously we don't want any sparks. The thing's not powered, but what's the chance there's a capacitor I don't know about or something like that, right? Touching stuff is not cool, but also bringing a little spark in from wherever ain't any fun either. We want to have our electronics working nicely forever. You're going, why doesn't it work? Because you were in there, Sparky. Cool. So, this might have been a bit long, partly because I didn't know about that hard drive business. That first little video would save me a lot of time. So I'm putting these in. I'm going to save my adhesive, because why not, right? So close. What? I guess that's suggesting I should have started with that little piece here. It's like just they make this so that probably guide themselves better. What? How weird is that? This one's got two. Okay, so somehow I've mixed them up. Is that what happened? Not somehow. Very easy to mix them up because so close. Okay, well that's very exciting, but you can at least see what it looks like when a moron tries to do it, so you'll be able to do it just fine. Not to be self-disparaging or anything, but come on, what's going on? This is not that easy. This should be easier than this. Come on, let me just... Okay, good. You're in. This one you're too far, is it? Man, okay, so here's what it is. It's this flip. It's like not even oriented so that it would just go back together. Oh. Would this be it, sir? No, it's not even light. Look at that. Okay, so what's going on? Take a moment, figure it out. Look at this. It's like that, and that's way over long that way. It's got to go this way. All right? So wouldn't it be nice if you just had it so it was like real easy to do? I know you didn't want anybody ever to get into these things, but why'd you leave us with a M2 slot for a nice SSD card? Look at that. There you go. So we're going to go with, this is the way to do this one. Early in the morning. Okay. Looks like we're in there, sir. That's what she said. Okay. Tasteless. Okay. we are good to go. All right. Here it is, moment of truth. Now, I imagine I got to mess around with the BIOS, but we'll see what happens. Moment of truth. Oh. Second moment of truth. There we go. And in a moment, we'll have light. All right, thanks everybody. Hope that helps you. It would have helped me to have seen it, so that's me signing off. There's my mouth. There's my eyes.